ezyZip.
How to send files to remote user. Go to ezyZip.com, then navigate to P2P file transfer tool. Click Select File to transfer or drag and drop the file directly to ezyZip. It will list all the files you selected. Click on Transfer Files button. The tool will initialize to establish the connection. Once done, the shareable link will be generated. Keep the tab open while sharing the file. In this little box you can see the activity of the person you sent the link to. Wait until you see transfer completed. It means the other party downloaded the file successfully. And just like that, you've successfully shared your file sweat-free. It's that easy. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe, it would mean a lot to us.